Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to change the profile picture of your server on Discord. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Discord server's profile picture, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server for which you want to change the profile picture. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name at the top. And then you will now be on your server's profile. So now that you're on your server's profile, I want you to go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, you will now be able to see your server's profile picture at the top. So just go and tap it to change your server's profile. And then select Gallery. And after that, you will now be able to see all the pictures on your device. So just find the one that you want to turn into your server's profile picture. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And then tap the check button to completely change the profile. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed your Discord server's profile picture. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.